What's up, guys? Chris Martinez coming at you live here in the Woodlands, Texas. And I want to share this story with you guys because I think it will benefit some of you. Some of you, man, y'all reach out to me. I see it in the forums. I hear it all the time. I could put this video out every single day. And it's the phrase, I think I'm charging too much money, or the customer says I'm charging too much money, something to that effect. And I want to share this with you guys because I'm trying to find a good connection here, guys. Let me find a good spot to where y'all can see this. I want to show y'all this here. Come on now. But anyways, when I first got started here, we wanted to be one of the most expensive companies out there. And so we charged high prices right from the beginning. And so I want to show you guys this. This house here, I gave an estimate to these people. And I gave an estimate to that house, and that customer, or that potential person said, he told me this. He said, you will never get any business charging those kind of prices. And it's funny because we just did their neighbor's house. And all we did for this other person was gave him an estimate for window cleaning. It has a smaller house, and he tells me, you'll never get any business charging those kind of prices. But meanwhile, we just did his neighbor's house. Not only did we do his neighbor's windows, we did his roof, his house washing, his deck. I mean, pretty much everything that he has, we did it. So what I want to say to you guys, don't get discouraged. Not every customer is your customer. You've heard me say this multiple times, over and over and over and over. But I want to share that with you guys because that house, that's not my customer. But this house, he's my customer. So I want you guys to know this, man. I want to share this with you guys because some of you guys are getting so discouraged. Chris, the customer is telling me it's too much money. Well, add some more value to it, and price will never be a problem unless they're price customers, which obviously he is, but his neighbor's not. So keep going, guys. Don't get discouraged. Charge the prices. I also want to tell you guys this too. When we first got into roof washing, I didn't call every single roof company out there, roof cleaning company out there, and say, hey, how much are y'all charging? How much are y'all charging? You know what we did? We wanted to make a certain amount of money, and we started charging accordingly. I don't call people and say, hey, man, are we in competition with the market? Are we reasonable with the market? No. We've said, hey, this is how much we're going to charge, and we're going to find customers that are going to pay it. So guys, be consistent with your pricing. Don't get discouraged when customers tell you, oh, you charge too much. You know what I mean? Dude, there's millions of people out there. Just keep going, man. Keep at it. Because you know what? You can have one neighbor that's going to tell you you're too much, but then you're going to have another neighbor that's going to say, dude, do everything. Whatever service you provide, do it for me. So with that being said, guys, stop being discouraged. Start making some money and find you some customers that see your value.